Yeah, I know I'm finna freestyle off this shit, right?
La música de Harry Fraud.
So check me out. Yeah, I'm getting high, smoking Mary Jane, nigga, relaxing my brain, nigga. Always been that same, nigga, never been the lame, nigga. I'm feeling strange, nigga, rolling like a stolen bike. You know I'm out the chain, nigga. Dudes be like, ooh, he's nice, groovy, right, point a long gun at the target, then I shoot it twice. In the fucking studio recording when I use the mic. Shoot an airplane in the sky, have it loose in flight. All the niggas sucking and better, but never recorded in the studio. I show that a nigga had to kill it in a minute when a nigga like me rapping on a motherfucker beat like this. 3 white chicks when they eat my dick. Me nice bitch, yeah I know. Every single hoe with my name and my number in the kiss. Every motherfucker where I go. I never been a weak ass nigga. Malik that nigga, can't beat that nigga. Score too high, can't beat that nigga. Level too high, can't reach that nigga. Fuck your help, I don't need that nigga. Gun up in my hand, you know I squeeze that trigger. Shoot you one time, make it believe that nigga. But the reader doesn't mean that I'm a me black killer. Who you riding with? Myself is who I'm riding with. Right beside your bitch, I done diving in, no denying it. No providing tips, jeopardizing shit on some riot shit. This is out the top of the dome, bitch, I ain't writing shit. Bitch, I done killed the beat, so I'm finna go on to the next beat.